Hi, Playmate. My name is Miss Geena, and welcome to the Play Circle. In today's learning session, we are exploring numbers, colors, and animals. These colorful buildings are called barns. There are dots and numbers on the front of the barn, and inside of each barn, there's a mystery animal. Are you excited? Me too! Come on, let's get started. The first barn we are starting with is the color red. Which one is the red one? This one. Good job. Let's count the dot on this barn. 1. This barn has the number 1 on it. Let's see what's inside the barn. It's a chicken. Let's put the chicken back into the barn. The next barn is the yellow one. Which one is the yellow one? This one. Good job. This barn has 2 dots on it. 1, 2, and it has the number 2 on it. Let's see what's inside this barn. It's a duck. Let's put the duck back into the barn. The next barn is the blue one. Which one is the blue one? This one. Good job. This barn has 3 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, and the number 3. Let's see what's inside this barn. It's a pig. Let's put the pig back into the barn. The next barn is the green one. Which one is the green one? This one. Good job. This barn has 4 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the number 4 on it. Let's see what's inside this barn. It's a frog. Let's put the frog back into the barn. Up next is the purple one. Which one is the purple one? This one. Good job. This barn has 5 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number 5 on it. Let's see what's inside this barn. It's a dog. Let's put the dog back into the barn. The next barn is the brown one. Which one is the brown one? This one. Good job. This barn has 6 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the number 6. Let's see what's inside the barn. It's a horse. Let's put the horse back into the barn. The next barn is the teal one. Which one is the teal one? This one. Good job. This barn has 7 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the number 7 on it. Let's see what's inside the barn. It's a cow. Let's put the cow back into the barn. Up next is the pink one. Which one is the pink one? This one. Good job. This barn has 8 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the number 8 on it. Let's see what's inside the barn. It's a bunny. Let's put the bunny back into the barn. The next one is the orange one. Which one is the orange barn? This one. Good job. This barn has 9 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the number 9 on it. Let's see what's inside. It's a cat. Let's put the cat back into the barn. Last but not least, the next barn is the gray one. Which one is the gray barn? This one. Good job. This barn has 10 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the number 10 on it. Let's see what's in this barn. It's a lamb. Let's put the lamb back into the barn. Outstanding work, everyone! We found all of the mystery animals. Let's count all of the animals that we found today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for joining the Play Circle today. I had so much fun. I hope this video helped you learn about numbers, colors, and animals. I'm really sad that this learning session is almost over, but that's okay. I'll see you in our next video. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure you check out our other videos on the Play Circles channel. That's all for today. Goodbye, Playmate.